Where to find immersive sound settings that will give you a sense of space when audio is being played. This is for Poco phones or Xiaomi phones that has Android 14, HyperOS 2, and it depends on the model tier you have. With HyperOS 2, you'll go ahead and use the quick access, pull it down once, tap on the settings toggle right here. And the fastest way to know if your phone has this feature is using the search settings. So once you tap into the search bar here, you'll see the option to search like this here. Your keyboard will pop up and just type in immersive sound. I typed it in already before. Just go ahead and type this in, and if you see the pop-up, that means your phone has it as a suggestion. So go into it and you'll see it right there. It's going to be found in the sound effects under graphic equalizer, and you'll see immersive sound. That's going to give you that sort of space when audio is played, kind of similar to that of the OnePlus phones with the spatial audio feature. Like and sub.